Honda CRV. Customer came in for 4 tires and alignments. Hopefully just in the toe. I don't know what year is this. All I know is a Honda CRV. Yeah, it should be a toe, it'll be a little bit off. Look straight. Let's see what the damage is. The front's not that bad. Camber is still good on the rear. Toe, it may need adjustment on the right. What tools I need? I need a 14, 17. 14 and 17. That's what I'm looking for.
No, he didn't. He fucking pirated it, dumbass.
17.
Yeah, I wouldn't pirate
Bin Laden.
Oh my god.
Bin Laden was the best president.
Turn my motor on. Okay. The left side on the rear is good, so I don't need to touch that. I need to touch the right one. I might need a socket. 17, 14. I think it's 17. That's an 18. 17. What was it? 17? 14. 14, where are you? 16. This must be 14. Let's see. 17 to loosen the nut. Okay, that's loosened. Let's swap the socket. Okay. Let's see which way he's going. Yep, I'm going the right way. That's good. All I care about is the total toe. Okay, move on the front. 14, 17. Okay, what's next? The left toe is good. I don't have to mess with that. I need to mess with the right one. You know, 14, 17, 24. Let's see, 14, 17, 24. Oh. Inner tire remove. You know what that means? It means it's these to the nut. Oh, going the wrong way. Okay, I'm now on 0.08. Just a little turn. Come on, 0. That's close enough. Joust it. Loosen it up again. Other way. Come on. Give me that sweet number. Yeah, 0.01 be alright. Oh, now it's 0. Get ready. This one's good. Steering wheel straight, it didn't move. You want to swing the steering wheel, make sure it's straight. Make sure the number is dead center. Let's check my rear. Rear's good. That looks straight. You need to move it to the right on both sides. They stayed 0.03, so it didn't move. So I will adjust this one, so now it's 0.08. Gotta remember that. Yeah, the jam nut seats to the inner tie rod. Going to have to heat it up. I think it's this one, not. Yeah, that's right. Okay, which one I need? Need this. Sure, power's on. Come on. Okay, it's on. Let's heat that bad boy. Let's see it work. Yeah, I can feel the heat. Yeah, it works. It's not gonna be red hot, but it still works. Okay, now to adjust it. Okay, which one I'm going? Wrong way. Okay, I'm gonna tighten the jam nuts. It moved. Gotta hold the inner tie rod. Might need to adjust it. Let's do 4. Nope, went too far. Went too far. There we go. Now I need to hold it. It didn't move, so I need to tighten it. Yes, it does move. Okay, now I need to tighten it. That's what I want. Now to print it out. Okay. $17. 13, 4. Yep. Now to test drive it, make sure it's straight. Drive straight. I don't want to have to go drive it on the street. Drive straight. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and I see you on the next video.